So this is part of St. Oosterfees and FEC and Artscape's way of introducing the technical side of the industry to everybody out there.
Hallo, my name is Renee Kloete en vir die afgelope 2 dae was ek deel van die Stage Managers Workshop. And what a great introduction. Ek ken meer van die actor side of things and I've always wanted to know more about stage management, production management, al die goed wat gedoen word voor ons nog op die verhoog kom.
Hi, my name is Ulla Begeng. And I've learned a lot about the history of stage management and also how things are done today. And also hearing office stories is actually quite fun.
My ervaring van hierdie werkswinkel is dat dit absoluut mense deure oopmaak tot die verhoogbestuur wêreld en dat mens meer inligting kan opdoen oor mense beroep vorentoe.
I think it's very important for these types of training because there's a great need of technical staff within this industry.